Carroll County Exchange Club Carl Perkins Center Advisory Board for being one of our sponsors tonight.
There you go, Doug. Yeah. Yeah, Doug.
Looking for one more entry. This is your class. Please close the gate. Show your horses at a walk.
Anybody